I'm going to walk through downloading some data from a NOAA server, NCEI, but National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. You can see the URL here. I'm in Firefox, and the reason I say that is that some of these, quite a few of these websites for data don't really respond very well to Safari, to the Apple thing Safari, which I normally use. So I'm in Firefox. I recommend that, or probably Chrome is fine too. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff, and you can read all this. Won't be bothered. So I'm going to give the search criteria and basically tell you the kind of things that I would normally click. So what I've done is I've said I'm going to choose to tell it observation dates and a data set type and a ship and a platform, and then you go down to build a query. I know that these data are in 1982, but it might actually go to 19. I think I might do that because it might, I think it's near the end of the year. So if I do that, then I'll probably get something good. Okay, and I only want the CTD. So I'll unclick all these other things, which I'm just not searching for at the moment. And okay, and now basically you can do go to ship. Maybe I'll do that. Go to ship. And the ship I'm interested in is the Endeavour. And I guess I just do find ship code. And let's see. So I'm interested in the data from the 80s. Okay, so it's this one that I want. This is really, I think, the same thing, but they did a refit or something like that. So I want this 22809. That's the ship code. I think that, yeah. So submit ship. And it should have field ID. Okay, so that's good. And now I do a get an inventory. This takes a little while. If I knew how to pause and restart the video here, I would, but I mean, it's only going to take another probably 20 more seconds. What it's doing, it's going to give me some choices when this comes up. It's going to give me some choices for the data format. And there will be 3 choices. One is some kind of an internal format, which I've tried before, and I just don't like it, so I didn't want to do it. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's giving a summary. I don't want to bother with that. It's telling me that the file will be this big. And okay, now we'll do download. Okay, what I was saying about the format there, I'm going to say there are 3 columns of format. This one is a wacky format. It's just a bunch of numbers, which we don't know how to deal with. Not interested in doing. And I've tried comma separated. I never get any output when I do that, so I don't know why that is, but I'll give up on that. And then we'll do netcdf. Now, netcdf, it could be 2 ways of working. One is a ragged array, which I think is a new feature of netcdf, but I'm not going to bother with that. So I'll do single cast. It's going to send a what's called a tarball, a gzipped tarball, one for each station in the thing. Look, I'm interested in observed data, not standard levels. I mean, I could interpolate to standard levels if I wanted to. There are 2 different types of flags. I'll just use these WOD flags. And I'm not getting XBT, so I'm not going to bother with that. And then I have to give an email address and then extract data. And I think this is the end of the video. It might take about 5 minutes, and I'll get an email. And in the email, there'll be a clickable link, which I'm pretty sure is made up of this line here, and then a slash, and then this line here. But I'll stop the video now. There's not much interest for you to watch this for 5 minutes or 50 minutes, however long it happens to take. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.